Most of the items I bought on the internet, including car parts, are pretty sound and uh, pretty good buys. And everything I bought from Rock Auto are really top quality parts. But every once in a while, you have to be on the lookout for people on like eBay that sell parts. It may not be their fault. It could be the supplier they're buying them from. And one of those items is this. I have a 2002 Sentra, and Nissan Sentra, and I bought a suction hose for the power steering, and it looked like, it was molded. It looked just like the one that I took off there. And I mean, the hose, it looked exactly like a hose. And I just happened to look in there the other day, and it's like ballooned up like about 2.5 times the size. And it's like a balloon. I mean, I guess the power steering fluid, which is actually ATF, it's GM ATF, has done something to the rubber, and you can see where the hose clamps were, and the part where the ATF hasn't gotten onto. Like on the both ends, it's the tubing's the hose is about the same as when I bought it, and I mean it's like a water balloon. I mean it's like a wet noodle. And I don't know. I mean, maybe it could last just as long as a regular hose, or then tomorrow it could just split open. But so I didn't risk it, so I removed it, and I just wanted to let everybody know, some things I guess you should buy from a reputable dealership. Thanks a lot. Bye.